Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is going to be a giveaway video, and I just want to appreciate you guys for your support, for buying my wigs, for watching my videos, for just supporting me in whichever way that you supported me. I'm going to give away this product to 3 people and in 3 different groups. The first group is anyone who has lost their hair or is suffering from hair loss, be it from chemo, cancer, or alopecia, like any type of hair loss that you're experiencing. That is the first group. I'm going to give it to 1 person. Second group is going to be my viewers. If you've been watching my videos, if you're subscribed to my channel, like if you're just watching my videos, and yeah, that is the second group, and that means that is just like a random person. And then the third group is my clients. For that one, I'll have to choose myself. You really don't have to comment down below. I wanted to do this giveaway before Christmas, but because this giveaway is going to run for a week, from today is 14th or 15th. So I want this giveaway to run until 21st. So if I ship them on 22nd, you might receive it early, before Christmas or after Christmas, but it's not too late. You'll still receive it before 31st, before end of year. You're just going to comment down below how your 2021 has been, if it has been a good year, if it has been a bad year. I'm going to give away 4 products to 1 person in each group, and I'm going to mention the products in a few. So guys, if I have to first of all start with how my 2021 has been. Honestly, it has been the worst year of my life, and most of you know I lost my mom, and I lost my mom like in August, and the worst thing about it is that it was a road accident. It's not like she was sick, it was a road accident. She just came to visit us, and then on her way back home, it's like an 8-hour drive, she was involved in a road accident, and that's how we lost our mom. And my mom was very, very strong. Even when saying this, I still can't believe that she's gone, but I don't know. The first product that I'm going to give away is either a hip pad or a band. So you'll have to choose either a hip pad or a band. If you want a hip pad or if you want a band, you have to pick one, and then I'll give you a twist wig. You have to choose the color that you prefer, and then an orange Ankara dress. This dress right here, it's actually large, but I just wanted to give it, it's actually large. So guys, if you get it and maybe you're a medium, you can reduce it on the sides, or you can give someone else. An Updo wig, this one right here, I'm going to give you this Updo hair. So for someone who's suffering from hair loss, I'm going to give you 4 products. You have to pick either a hip pad or a band, a twist wig, whichever color that you prefer, an Ankara dress, this Ankara dress, and an Updo braided wig. That is the first group. Anyone is suffering from hair loss. So what you're going to comment, if you are the group that someone who is suffering from hair loss, just start your comment with hair loss, and then write how your 2021 has been. Please don't forget to comment where you're watching me from, because if you don't comment where you're watching me from, that means you would not have followed the terms and conditions. Just comment down below how your 2021 has been and where you're watching me from. So the second group is any of my subscribers, my viewers, just a random person. You're not suffering from hair loss, you're not my client, you're just my viewer. Just comment down below again how your 2021 has been and where you're watching me from. For these my viewers and my subscribers, what you're going to get hip pad or band. You have to pick one again, and then you have to pick a twist wig, whichever color that you prefer, and a long black dress, a long black Ankara dress, like this one. This long black Ankara dress, it says medium. So the last group, my clients, I'll just pick it randomly because I have all your contacts. I'll just pick randomly, and then you're also going to pick either a hip pad or band. whichever that you prefer, a twist wig, whichever that you prefer, whichever color that you prefer. And then this, you have to just pick one of these dresses, these Ankara dresses for my clients. And then for the wig for my clients, you have to choose the one that you have to choose any wig on my website. Just choose any wig that you want. So you remember the Hippads. So for the Hippads, these I have two designs. This one, the one that has hooks. This one, I'm going to insert the parts inside in a few. And then I have this type. It doesn't have hooks. This type. So if your size is small, I really don't have this small at the moment, so you'll just have to pick this one. I'll have to send you this one because for this one I have from size small, so I'll send you this one. I won't send you the high waist, this one, the one that has hooks. That is if you're a small size. For the Hippads, you'll have to pick from size small to 3XL because that's what I have at the moment. I don't have 4XL, 5XL or 6XL at the moment. And then for the dresses, I'm going to give away the one that I have right now, the ones that I have in stock as well. If I have to first of all start with how my 2021 has been, honestly it has been the worst year of my life, and most of you know I lost my mom, and I lost my mom like in August, and the worst thing about it is that it was a road accident. It's not like she was sick, it was a road accident. She just came to visit us, and then on her way back home, it's like an 8-hour drive, she was involved in a road accident, and that's how we lost our mom. And my mom was very, very strong. Even when saying this, I still can't believe that she's gone, but I don't know. So yeah, 2021, the worst year of my life. I've never lost like a very, very close family member or a very, very close relative. The closest relative that I ever lost was my great grandma, and she passed like in 2018. It was a shock for us, for all of us. Even like people at home, they were so shocked because my mom was very, very strong. She was a very, very strong person. She was a politician. She really loved politics. She was even planning to vie next year for an MCA seat back at home. She was a very, very strong woman, brave, and I don't know. I have so many positive things to say about 2021, but this one thing, it just like kind of cancelled everything, and I was just like, I really hate this year. The fact that it was an accident, guys, the fact that it was an accident, it's not like she was sick and like we had the last minute. She had a chance, we never had a chance to say goodbye. She came to visit us on 23rd, so she was planning to come back like the following week. Even she left some of her clothes in my house because she knew she was going to come back the following week. And the fact that even my grandma just came, if you watch my previous videos with my grandma just came to pick her clothes that she left here, and also just to see if we are okay, if everybody is doing okay. After I lost my mom, you know, we went back to the village, did the burial, and then when I came back, I think the first week, guys, I felt like I was going to have pressure. I felt like I was going to have ulcers. Like, it was just too much for me. After some few days, I just felt like God is in control, and that's why I'm even able to continue doing what I'm doing, because I always felt like if I just lose any of my family members, like that will be the end of the world for me. And I just thank God, like God has been giving us strength. We are strong, and we believe that God is in control, because there are days that you feel so bad, and then like it's just like an up and down feeling. Like today you're okay, and maybe some few hours you'll feel bad, and then you'll be okay, and then you'll feel bad, and then you'll be okay. And I thank God that there's that part that you just okay, you kind of accepting but not accepting, because you just want to be okay. And yeah, so that's it. But there are times I'm just like, is she really gone? Like yesterday I was asking myself, is she really gone? Yeah, so guys, that was my 2021. But okay, it has been a successful year in terms of business, in terms of friendship, in terms of, you know, it has been a successful year and all that. But the fact that I just lost my mom this year, it kind of just cancels everything. Like everything is just not the same. If it's hair loss, remember to start with hair loss, and then see how your 2021 has been, and where you're watching me from. Don't forget to write that as well. And then if you're from my viewer, my subscriber, you've never ordered any of my wigs, you don't suffer from hair loss, you just also have to comment down below. Start by viewer, and then write how your 2021 has been and where you're watching me from. Again, start with viewer, and then how your 2021 has been and where you're watching me from. The last group, my client, that one I'll handle it myself. I'll just pick random client and gift her this free product. That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you participate if you want to win this product. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for buying my product. I really appreciate you guys.